Yes, people. So it's day 2 on the farm. We're not on the toilet block this morning. We're actually in their canteen because he's got an opening where everyone waits for the queue to get their food. And it just gets too busy, people going in and out, so they want to double the size of it. So we've said we'll jump in there, get that done, and then we'll jump back in here, start building the cubicles again, and then we need to jump back down the canteen again because they've got a back door that needs replaced. So that's what we're going to try and get done that this week for them. I think we're going to come back next week again just to carry on with the cubicles. So stay tuned, there's going to be a lot of videos coming up. If you like watching them, then you're in for a treat. Quick coffee. Putting some infill noggins in here, and I'm going to bring some MDF and make it look nice tomorrow. Make some architrave, kind of make it look like a frame. So as you can see, we've now got 3 toilets. There's an end panel to go on there to make a bigger disabled toilet, but I need to take 20mm off, and this stuff's just horrible to cut, so should be interesting. But once we've got that done, there's a rail to go along the top, and then we can put the doors on. Finally making progress. Took a while to get my head down, but we're getting there. Let's do it. Yes, people, so it's end of day 2 on this toilet block. We've got a bigger toilet here, 2 single toilets, and a bigger toilet there with 2 toilets in, 1 smaller for the kids, and it's got a baby changing too. So as you can see, got quite a lot done compared to yesterday. All the shadow bits are done. We've made my unit, we've just got bits to go in between. So these go in front of the cisterns that just clip on, which allows for easy access in case there's any issues with the toilets. So tomorrow we're going to put doors on. I'm excited to show you them because they're quite cool. But been a battle, full of cold. So we'll see how we get on tomorrow.